Hello, follow internet. I am Noman Islam. In this video, I am going to show you how to write SEO article with Chatgpt. Open up our Chatgpt dashboard. This is our Chatgpt prompt. You can search anything. In my case, web versus app development. Now I am going to choose a prompt. Fully SEO optimized article including facts. Facts means frequently asked questions. You can see this is added. Now I'm going to search here. This is generated. This is our heading. Copy. Go back our WordPress. Paste it here inside title. Now we need a featured image. Click this toggle block inserter. Search for featured image. You can choose a image or you can also upload from your computer. This is a demo, so I am using anything. Again, hit this toggle block inserter. Now drag this paragraph. Hit this paragraph. This is selected. Go back our Chatgpt. Paste it here. Again, choose paragraph. Copy. Paste it here. Okay. Now hit these settings. Post. Copy. This is excerpt. Also copy this title. We'll include this title also here. for SEO optimized. This is a featured post. And our focus keyword also this title. Now you can see rank math display 50. After this introduction, search for table of content. Now our table of content display here. Now hit publish. Add tags. Assign a category. But I am going with tools and travel guide. Hit publish. Now you can view your post. This is our title. This is introduction, table of contents. You can see table of content are working well. You can rate, you can share. Thank you for watching this video.